video, I'm going to show you an easy acoustic blues strum pattern so you can play songs with that authentic blues shuffle sound. Let's do this. I'm Thomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success, where I help you learn guitar and release that musician inside you. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell so I can let you know when I have new lessons, tutorials, and guitar learning tips. Everyone can relate to the blues. One of the things that makes the blues is the feel, the rhythm pattern. Today you're going to learn an easy rhythm pattern that works really good on acoustic guitar. Often it's called the blues shuffle. Let me start off by showing you what it sounds like. I'm using an E chord, by the way, and for this example, I'll be using the E chord. So if you want to play along, make an E chord and strum. This is called a shuffle feel. It's different than straight up and down. What I'm doing is kind of putting more emphasis on the down and shorter on the up. One way to think about it is in triplets. Da, 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 da. I often have students clap out the strum pattern or the feel before they even try strumming. So it'd be something like this. Da, 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 da. Another good thing to practice just getting that feel is just put your hand over the strings so that you can just make a sound. Da, 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 da. On the guitar, we'll always make the down strum longer and the up strum shorter to make a shuffle feel. For now, let's just go ahead and try to get that shuffle feel with a chord. I'm making an E chord again. Go ahead and play along if you can. We'll go nice and slow. So it's da, 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 da. You could think 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I prefer to get it by feel. Da, 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 da. So now to turn this into a full-fledged strum, we're going to add a little technique called the mute. The mute is a technique where you hit the string and palm at the same time. So you're just letting a little bit of sound escape before you choke it off. So listen to what it sounds like. You actually hear that E chord just a little bit before I choke it off, but barely. It's okay if you think you don't hear nothing. I'd rather that than something like that. So practice that with me a little bit. We're going to hit down and choke with the palm of your hand. Again. One more time. So if this is new for you, practice it a little bit each day. You'll see, you just get better and better at it. Don't worry if you don't get it all at once and it just doesn't come out perfect. One little trick I want to tell you. When I'm muting the strings, I'm often also lifting a little bit of pressure off my left hand, kind of help it out. The two together make a more distinct mute. Not necessary, but keep that in mind. As you start getting the palming, try releasing your left hand a little bit on the strings to kind of mute it from both sides, so to speak. So with that said, here's the basic strum. We're going to do half a strum, and all we're going to do is repeat that twice to make one full strum. So it's down, up, and then that mute, and your pick should be down and up. So that's half strum, 2 beats. 1 and 2 and. Try that much with me, with a pick. Ready, go. Down, up, mute, up. How'd you do? Did it come out okay? Try it again, come on. Ready, go. Down, up, mute, up. Now we're going to do it twice in a row, and that makes one full strum. 1 and mute this time. Mute, up, 3 and 4. Try one more time? Okay, here we go. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Yeah, that was better. Okay, so the basic strum is something you want to practice slow at first and little by little pick it up. You'll see it actually gets a little easier when you play a little faster, but you got to get the right movement first. You're aiming for this. So if you're not there yet, come back to the video after you practice a while and try playing along with me a little bit to see if you can kind of copy my motions. Once you get comfortable with the strum pattern, not perfect, I said, just comfortable, you'll want to apply it to a 12-bar blues chord pattern. I've made a whole separate video for that, and I'll put a link up in the corner a card so that you can get to that easily. In fact, if you want to learn more about playing blues, go to my playlist, Acoustic Blues Guitar. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell. And while you're there, let me know in the comments if this video helped you out or if you have any questions on how to move forward with your guitar playing journey. Got something you want to learn? Ask and I may be able to make a video out of it.